Hey guys, I'm back. I was supposed to be doing this a long time ago, but I'm finally getting around to it. I have these two brushes. One is the Denman, and this one is the Conair brush. I don't know why I waited so long to get the Denman brush because I don't know. I guess I heard so many things about the brush. I heard good things and I heard bad things, and then the brush is like $10.99 at Sally. So I was like, $10.99? Do I really want to spend $10.99 on a hairbrush? That may not even work for me. But there was a sale like a couple of months back, and the brush was $7.99. I know it may not be like a huge difference to you, but it made a difference to me. So I went in and I got the brush, and I have to say that I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Best hair tool I have used. I was using this brush, the Conair brush. I love this handle, but the teeth do not love my hair. When I had shorter hair, when I first went natural, it was like fine, it glided through my hair. It wasn't pulling any hair out. The longer my hair got, the more hair it pulled out. And I don't know if you can see how raggedy the teeth have gotten because I leave things out and people decide to put them away from me, and the teeth got like all bent up and they're going every which way, not the way that they're supposed to be going. But I just wanted to compare the two brushes because I love this brush. I love this brush. I love what it does for my hair. But this one was cheaper. It worked when my hair was short, but not so much now. They both have 7 rows of teeth. These are like silicone, and I'm not sure. I think these are plastic teeth. It has this little ball at the end. Another thing that caused me to stop using this brush was the little balls are coated, and even though these are plastic and not metal, my hair was still getting caught around this and pulling my hair out. I was losing so much hair with this brush the longer my hair got. And it was getting really frustrating. Like, actually brushing my hair is the best way for me to detangle it. The detangling comb for me is the devil. The longer my hair has gotten, the worse I like. I don't know. It's terrible. It does not work for me. But anyway, I prefer this handle. If they could put this handle on this brush, then I don't know. Like, I would be so happy. But this brush is awesome. It glides like straight to my hair. I've never had to take the teeth out. I know a lot of people have taken it apart and taken rows out. I don't need to do that. It works great. It also comes out. I haven't ever tried to take it out, but it comes out. You can take it out. Like this. If you needed to remove a row, I guess you could just press it out in the back and it will come out. I don't know if you see that. It comes out. But I love all the rows, so I'm not going to take them. But it makes it easier for you to clean this brush that it comes apart like this. With this brush, it was a huge issue because this part does not, like, it's metal. It doesn't come off. And it says it's supposed to be like a hypoallergen, like bacterial thing, like it's supposed to be stay clean. But deep down in those grooves, there's gunk. And it wasn't like no matter what I was doing, after a while, the product filled up in it and it didn't come out. And I'm not really sure how you're supposed to scrub the inside of that. So that's another plus for the Denman brush. Like I said, like this brush retails, the Denman brush retails for, as far as right back home too. Yeah, look at this. It retails for $10.99. You can get it at Sally. You can get it at Denman. You can get it on Amazon pretty inexpensively. I don't know. I looked on Amazon to get it, and by the time I added up I guess what marked down the price was, I had to look at the shipping, and the shipping didn't make it worth it for me. So when I found it on sale at Sally, I got it, and I love it, and I think that you should try it. So this is pretty much my review on the Denman that I so love. Like, I probably just throw this brush away. It's useless because, like I said, the teeth are all janky and messed up. The only downside I can say about this brush is like the handle is kind of hard for me to like grip it and comb my hair. I like have to do it like this up here. Whereas this brush, the handle was longer. The handle's longer and it's fatter, so it's easier to grip. But other than that, this will be my detangling brush. Also, another thing with this brush is too, it clumps your curls together. So once you wash your hair and detangle it, um, put your products on there and I section it and run it through. It clumps my curls together. It makes my curls kind of like more defined. It just looks really nice. So I hope this was helpful. I hope you try it. I hope you love it because I love it. It is the best tool that I've tried so far. And that is my review on the Denman versus the Conair. So, see you guys.